Chevra, we're here once again on 8th Avenue and 39th Street across Mile Silver Spoon with Kevin over here by Funland. Yeah, the famous Funland. We're going to talk a little about the summer. Summer is here, and all the schools, the day camps, they all want to have good trips in the summer.
Yeah, of course.
This is the place, Funland. Show me inside, and then let's show the alien what we have over here. Let's show the Chevra what we have.
Let's get started.
Let's get started, and then we'll tell them soon. We'll talk about the packages we can do for them for the summer.
So
Kevin, let's see what we have.
So you guys can see right now, we currently have a school here that's
Jewish school.
Yes, boys school that is doing currently exclusive. So then we could also do that in the summer, like an exclusive trip or like an open trip for a better price. And then yeah, so we have arcade machines.
It's real water. Get my kick. Whoa. Can I make? Yeah.
We got the trampoline area over here.
Look at this area over here. Look how the kids are enjoying themselves. Look at this. Look at this. You guys are loaded here. This is amazing what you guys have. Opa! I almost got hit in the head over here. All right, give him back the ball there.
Let's go.
Look at that. Playing dodgeball over here. Mama Shamachaya. All right, what else do you have here?
So then I can bring you guys out.
1 minute. This is also, how many balls do you estimate is in this ball court here?
That's maybe like almost 100,000 maybe.
100,000
yeah,
balls.
A lot of.
Wow, that's a lot of balls in here. That's a lot of balls.
We are getting more coming in for the summer. Okay.
Really? You think for the summer we need more balls over here?
Yeah, we're gonna need more balls because it's gonna be more kids.
I love the slides you have here. Very cool stuff here. That rocket ship machine that shoots out balls. Look at that. Maybe it's shooting some balls at Iran. Let's go. All right. So I see over here the machines are all closed. All the arcade machines that you could get those dolls.
Yeah.
Is that on purpose?
Yeah, that is on purpose.
You think that the schools don't want the kids being busy the whole entire time grabbing these dolls?
Like any machines that you guys don't like, we could keep them closed and shut.
So it's optional. The school could decide which machines they want on and which machines they want off.
Of course. Whatever is best for you guys is what we want to bring to the team.
Exactly. All right. Then I see you have a whole thing of RV over here, like we said last time.
Yes, we have a whole section of down here is all the VRs. And then we also have like a party room for all the kids to put their stuff and to eat, like what they're gonna do later in like an hour.
Oh, they're gonna eat here?
Yeah.
Nice. So I see this school picked not to have the RV on, right?
Yeah, because the school didn't want to keep it on because of something.
Whatever reason they have, they don't want RV, or maybe they're not Kaddish enough, so they shut the RV. The VR. Sorry. Wow. So what do you have over here?
And over here we have all the rooms. So we have 4 rooms that are all connected, which they are going to eat in later. So this is one of them, and then they're all connected.
So you have a bunch of little rooms. Each bunk can get their own room to eat in. Nice, beautiful. See over here, you get the view in the bottom over here. You got the kids running around on top. You can play a good game of tag over here.
Yeah, of course.
A lot of fun, very cool. And how does it work with cards? So let's say the school wants all the machines open, so they get a card, each kid gets a card?
Yes, so each kid gets a card and then it's unlimited because they have it exclusive, so it is unlimited for them.
Unlimited,
okay?
So they can play as many games as they want over and over again.
As they want.
It's amazing, this is amazing. This is phenomenal. What else you got here? How about the theater?
If you guys want, we could keep it open, but right now this school, the boys' school, wants it off, so we have it off, but if you guys want it on, you can let us know, and then we could keep it on for you guys.
Really?
Yes.
Kevin, this is crazy. Wow, whoever watched our last video knows about this.
Of course.
It's like a little roller coaster. It goes into a full, kind of like a IMAX.
Yeah.
Kind of, all right, awesome. So if a school wants this on, it's included?
Yes.
Amazing.
We can keep it on for you guys.
All right. Wow, look how these boys are enjoying themselves here. Who are your best groups? By far the Jewish groups, no?
Yes.
By far.
Of course. We have all different schools. We have boys' schools, girls' schools. We have little kids.
But by far these are the best over here.
Yes, of course.
Look at these tzaddikim over here. Even the Rebbe's playing ball over here.
Even the adults are playing too.
The rabbi's also playing with the boys. Look at that. Very cool, very cool. Chazak. All right, so you guys are huge. You guys have enough space for how many kids can you accommodate?
This is a very big store. It is 18,000 square feet. So we had before,
yes, that's huge.
We had a school of 360 kids come in before, and it fits with ease, no problem.
Wow. All right. All right, so now the day comes, all gonna call you. What is the phone number to call you?
So you can call me by 917-288-2818. That is my private number. If you guys coming from the Perlowitz show, you can let me know and we'll try to give you guys the best prices, okay?
Of course, of course. So if somebody calls you and says he saw it on the Perlowitz show and he wants to book a group, they'll get a nice discount for the Perlowitz show.
Yes, they'll get a nice discount because you're coming from my friend.
Exactly.
Okay?
And I can also mention Meilich Markowitz across the, make sure not to block his driveway.
Yeah.
They can come with buses, but don't block the driveway. They can park on the
Yeah, we have a parking lot here as well by Holidays Inn's Hotel.
Exactly.
3 hours for $6.
Now, forget the groups. It's Friday, it's Sunday. People are, all from school. Parents want to bring their kids. What's the package for that?
So then we have a new package here. There is the new prices Monday to Friday. We have a big discount over here. And then the weekends is also a big discount from the original prices.
That's amazing.
It is at least 25% off.
25%
and then we have,
off.
yes, and even for the arcade cards, we get bonus for recharges. So this is gonna
really
last
cool.
the entire summer,
The best of the best. I mean, by far you're the best trampoline place ever. For that price, is definitely worth it. Look how many trampolines. You guys are loaded with trampolines over there.
Yeah. Yes, so everyone matters to us, not just the big groups. If you're coming with just your kids, we are trying to give you the best prices as well.
Amazing.
Okay?
All righty, Kevin. Thanks so much for bringing me down here again. Look how these kids are enjoying themselves. Look how they're going with these little horses. These guys are loving it here.
Yes, of course.
They're punching over there. All right, Kevin, have a great day.
You
and
too.
Enjoy
Thank
your summer.